Hello, good morning ka-LSI. So this is Via the Explorer. Okay? So I will share with you kung paano yung buhay sa loob ng quarantine facility. Okay? So bago ko i-share sa inyo, okay? So bakit ba ako nagbiyahe? In spite of all the hardships or lahat ng katsorbahan sa pagkuha ng mga travel documents. Okay. So basically, our family decided to travel because meron kami family emergency na kailangan namin umuwi dito sa probinsya. Okay. Basically sa Bacolod. So ano yung mga pinagdaanan ko personally, kasi ako yung nag-ayos sa mga documents namin magkakapatid. So in order for you to travel, okay, ng medyo mas matipid. Okay? So, first, you have to undergo 14 days quarantine. So, kukuha ka ng number 1, medical certificate, okay, from your barangay, okay, and then medical certification that you were never on their PUI list ng COVID-19. And then, after you get your medical certificate, punta ka ng PNP to get your travel pass authority. So, just make sure kapag nakuha mo na lahat ng travel documents like yung travel pass authority, medical certificate, is may nakaready ka ng ticket, airfare, or kung magbabarko ka, because the travel pass authority is only valid within 3 days, or usually parang i-release nila today, dapat tomorrow or the next day aalis ka na. Okay? So our family decided to avail, okay, the facility, which is syempre free. Okay? Kasi ni-research ko, meron namang options. So kung yayamanin ka, okay, so pwede kang mag-hotel, okay, magpa-book prior to your travel, and then pwede ka rin magpa-swab test sa may bayad. Okay, I think 4,000 or 5,000. But then, if you were going to travel as an LSI, okay, so meron pala siyang category. So, LSI meaning is locally stranded individual. So, let's say meron kaming bahay dito sa Bacolod. So, we have a permanent address. Okay? So, and then mag-i-stay kami ng more than 1 week. Basically, kami 1 month. So, it falls under LSI. And then, yung another category of traveler is what they call APOR. Authorized Person Outside Residency. So, ito yung mga pupunta ng probinsya, okay, tapos mag-work lang sila. And then, if you were an APOR, pwede ka lang mag-stay doon sa pupuntahan mo or certain province for 5 days, maximum 5 days. Other than that, you will be under category of LSI. And then, syempre, merong mga OFW na category. Okay, so yon, we chose to be quarantined under a local government unit. Okay, so nag-coordinate ako sa Bacolod, okay, na LGU, and then we asked for an acceptance letter from the LGU para kasi kailangan yon. Okay, hindi ka pala makakasakay ng airplane kapag hindi kumpleto yung travel documents mo, like medical certificate, travel pass authority, and then if you are an LSI, you need so there is 2 category, or I think 3 category of traveler. Number 1, they call it LSI, or locally stranded individual. Number 2, APOR, Authorized Person Outside Residency. And then, syempre, yung OFW. Pag pupunta ka sa isang lugar, and then you will stay there ng more than 1 week, automatically, you will be under LSI. Ngayon, pag APOR ka, maximum stay mo would be 5 days. Okay? And then, syempre yung OFW. So, our family decided to travel under LSI. So, nakipag-coordinate kami sa LGU ng Bacolod kasi we need acceptance letter. If you are an LSI category, you need to coordinate doon sa local government unit kung saan ka pupunta, and then you will ask for acceptance letter. Okay? Kasi pag walang acceptance letter, busisi. Okay? So, fortunately for us, I was able to coordinate it well doon sa local government unit. So, we were able to provide yung all the necessary documents para ibigay sa amin yung acceptance letter. So, ano ba yung kailangan na documents para doon sa acceptance letter ng LGU? So, you need to submit to them your travel authority pass, medical certificate, and then certificate of residency, and then contact number. Basically, yun lang. Okay? And then, so, okay na. So, punta na kami ng airport. So, make sure, pag punta nyo, pag check-in nyo sa airport pa lang, dala-dala nyo lahat ng acceptance letter, lahat ng travel documents, basically. Kasi, especially kapag ka AirAsia, you need to submit yung control number na acceptance letter doon sa manifest nila para nakasama ka doon sa confirmed, parang confirmed guest list nila na mag-on board for that certain flight. Okay? So, pagdating namin, so okay na, nakasakay na kami ng AirAsia. So, upon arrival sa Bacolod, sa Silay, okay? So, nung kinuha na namin yung gamit namin doon sa, syempre, sa baggage counter, merong sumasalubong, okay, sa Silay Airport, guys. May sasalubong sa inyo mga staff, either kung saan kang locality or municipality. So, kami, under Bacolod City proper, kasi sa Granada kami nakatira. So, upon arrival, okay, susundin kayo ng bus or basta transportation provided by the LGU, and then ididiretso kayo doon sa assigned quarantine facility. So, yung quarantine facility, usually, school siya. Yung brother ko, na-assign sila kasi earlier yung flight nila. Na-assign sila sa Lopez Haina. Kami, since puno na daw sa Lopez Haina, so dito kami sa may Mansilingan Agro-Industrial High School dinala kasi gabi na kami dumating. So, ano bang nangyayari? Okay, so, syempre, pagdating, siguro, Mansilingan is around 1 hour away from the airport. Okay, so, upon arrival dito sa may Mansilingan High School, yung quarantine facility na assigned sa amin, is, syempre, pinaupo muna kami doon sa court. So, merong court, tapos may mga chairs doon. Syempre, may social distancing. Tapos, syempre, laging naka-face mask, face shield. Okay? So, pag nakaupo ka na doon sa facility nila doon sa court, okay, they will serve food. Okay? So, food and water, they will provide you yun nga, pagkain. Okay, upon arrival. And then, after that, merong interview. Okay, so, initial interview. Tapos, bibigyan ka nila ng form, like this one. Okay, so, case investigation form yung tawag nila. So, fill upan mo lang yan. So, you will just need to put your permanent address, kung ano yung address mo dito sa probinsya. And then, syempre, yung current address mo kung saan ka nakatira sa Manila. Okay? After nung interview, so, i-orient ka nila, okay, nung mga staff, nung mga nurses, what are the things na pwedeng gawin or not, and what to do and what not to do inside the facility. Okay? So, they advise, so let's say na assign kayo sa first floor, okay, na room, okay? Doon lang kayo sa first floor, bawal kayong bumaba, bawal kayong umakyat sa ibang floors. And then always wear your face mask and then face shield. Okay? So, ano yung dadalhin nyo? So kami, marami kaming bagaheng dala. Okay? Kasi syempre, first time namin, diba? So ito lang, tip, okay? Para dun sa mga future travelers, tapos kung halimbawa naka-quarantine pa rin tayo, hype pa rin yung pandemic. So, once na na-assign na yung room nyo, okay, kung anong room kayo mag-stay, yung room, maximum of 4 persons per room ang pwede sa isang quarantine facility. Kapag ka all girls kayo, 4 na girls. Okay, pagka boys, all boys lang siya. Okay, and then, okay, ito tip for the travelers. Okay, ito yung kailangan yung dalhin. Here are the list. Okay, so after the orientation, the LGU will give you the essential kits. Okay? So, ano yung laman ng essential kit? So, ganito yung itsura niya. So, ayan. Okay. So, yung laman ng essential kit, ito, suot ko na. So, meron silang pa-shawl. Okay? Tapos, merong pillow. Okay? So, per person, meron kayong tigi-tigisang pillow. Okay, so ito per person, you will receive 1 pillow plus pillowcase, 1 blanket, tapos bath soap, tapos laundry soap. So ito yung ito yung shawl, diba? Tapos ito yung parang sarong. Okay? I think pang tapis yan. Okay? And then merong tabo, tissue, okay? They will also give you sanitary pads sa mga girls, okay? Merong comb, meron din shaver for men. They will also give you mosquito repellent, toothbrush, toothpaste, ito yung bath soap, tsaka yung laundry soap, and then shampoo. So, anong kulang? Conditioner. Magdala na lang kayo ng sarili niyong conditioner. Tapos ito, ayan, meron ding planggana at saka balde. Ayan. Na issue ng LGU once you arrive doon sa quarantine facility. And then, what are the other essentials that you need to bring on your own? Okay? So, natutunan ko, wala kaming dala nito Kasi, syempre kung, di ba, may video or may tip, syempre nagdala na ako. So, what are the essential, okay, or needs that you need to bring inside the quarantine facility? Kasi nga, ma-quarantine kayo for 3 to 5 days. Or maximum 14 days kapag halimbawa pangit yung resort. Okay? So, number 1, yung pwede lang dalhin dito sa rooms is yung luggage mo na, syempre, yung may mga needs mo. Kasi hindi pwedeng lahat dalhin. Okay? Let's say, yung mga ibang mong bagay. So, iiwan yun doon sa parang baggage counter dito sa may quarantine facility. So, what are the necessities that you need to bring? What are the items na talagang kailangan yung gamitin sa loob ng room facility? Okay, sa room. So, number 1, easy to wash clothes. So, ito, mga maninipis, okay, maninipis na shirt, shorts. And then, syempre, bring your cellphone, laptop, charger, power bank. So, lahat ng pwede nyong gamitin. Okay? And then, bag towels. So, magdala kayo. Kasi, ang kasama ng essential kits provided is only face towel. So, may face towel pala siyang kasama. And then, biscuits. Kasi, parang yun lang yung inaalaw nila. Kasi, they avoid any stomach upset during your stay. So, they will provide you all the food from breakfast, lunch, merienda, and dinner. May pa-vitamins pa. Okay? Bawal magpa-food delivery. So, bawal yon. Bawal din magpadala sa mga kapamilya ng pagkain. Kasi yun nga, baka it may cause food poisoning. Masisi pa daw yung LGU. So, tama naman sila. And then, syempre, alcohol, oo, kasi wala doon sa kit. Alcohol, extra face mask, face shield, kapag soiled na yung face mask. Ako, personally, syempre needs ko yun. Essential oils, kapag masakit yung ulo, tapos may mga kagat-kagat ng lamok, so, I need that. And then, para dun sa may mga hypertension, or anemia, or anemic, syempre, kailangan dalhin nyo rin yung maintenance medicines nyo, your own vitamins. Tapos, ito yung pinaka number 1 na sana dinala ko. Okay? Heater. Portable electric kettle. Yun yung wala kami. Okay? So, if you were a coffee drinker, you wanted to have your coffee anytime, dapat meron kang dalang sarili mo portable electric kettle. Kasi, ang rasyon lang ng hot water is in the morning. Okay, breakfast lang. So, yun, okay ha, yun yung mga kailangan yung dalhin. And then, yung mga not so essential, halimbawa sa mga kikay, okay, like me, okay, sa majority, like me. So, bring blower. Kasi, diba, yung CR pala, it's a common CR. Diba sa school, dulo-dulo lang yung CR. So, yun yung ano. And then, you have to clean your own room. Meron namang silang walis tsaka map provided. And then, cards to play, or, yun, this is the best time for you to subscribe ng Spotify, Netflix, or mag-data kayo ng madami kasi basically, wala kayong gagawin kasi nga bawal mag-loiter sa baba. So, good thing dito, meron kaming view. Later, I will show you yung view ng outside our room facility. So, second day, yung swab test namin, okay, kasi gabi kami dumating, diba? Second day yung swab test, basically yung swab test procedure, mabilis lang siya. And it's for free, okay? Sagot siya ng LGU. So, wala kaming binayaran. Basically, ang binayaran lang namin is yung ticket namin. Okay? So, everything is for free. If you coordinated well doon sa LGU nyo. Okay? So, food, swab test, and then yung lodging facility, quarantine facility, it's all for free. Okay? So, sabi ko nga, yung binabayad kong tax, dito ko ata sa Bacolod na sulit. Okay? So, yung swab test, okay, the next day, yung swab test na ginawa sa amin, yung actual procedure will only take around 1 to 2 minutes. Mabilis lang siya. So, swab lang sa tongue and then sa dalawang butas ng ilong. Then, that's it. So, guys, I think that's all for now. We will share with you on our next video kung ano yung result ng swab test namin. Hopefully, mag-negative. So, this time, gusto ko mag-negative. Okay? Negative yung result para makauwi na kami sa bahay namin sa Bacolod. Para makita na namin yung mama. Okay? So, guys, so those are the tips, okay, for a traveler, okay, traveler during this pandemic times. Okay? See you!
Okay, very good. That's it. Another one.
Sa nose naman.
Sa nose naman. Okay, just relax. Just look there. Look at the light.
Doko-doko naman.
Look there. Ayun o, yung light na yun.
Sige, padoko lang ko naman.
Look here. Look here. Yan.
Ay, isa pa nang ako naman. Nanamla na ha.
Okay.
Relax lang yan.
Relax lang.
Okay. Isa pa?
Isa pa.
Relax lang.
Relax lang. Wait lang.
Okay.
So, today's breakfast.